Welcome to the How-To series for HR Dynamics Plus. These are a series of short videos on how to use the various functions of HR Dynamics Plus. This is How-To video number 4. Searching for an employee. From the Registered Employees screen, click on the gray search box located above the table. It will normally contain gray text that reads, "Enter text to search." Here you can enter any word that relates to the employee you want to look up. For example, first name. This search box is very powerful in that you can type part of a word in any order and more than one words at the same time, or also part of words. It will look up and highlight in yellow all the matches. For example, let's type part of a last name like AB, then followed by space. We can type part of a first name like B, then space, and then part of an address like Hill. Notice how the table highlights the search words in yellow and filters the records. Thank you for watching.